nagkakaroon na naman ng pagtaas ng COVID-19 cases dito sa Pilipinas. Subalit ayon sa gobyerno, wala raw
dahil ang pagsuyo ko ay multong haplos. Huli na akong lumampi ng 1,000 taon. Papailing ning paggamit ning folk beliefs related to the Minasbad.
Nunglo or the kinabayo could very well be an articulation of this folk.
There we go. Farther forward and we'll go to the false shield. At saka ito syempre ang ating sword. Kasi naman ano po kung talagang may sombra po dito. Alright, another blade feature. By the way, I'm Jason, your host for the Hagbayon Channel. I am a college professor, entrepreneur, writer, rock guitarist, blades researcher, blades architect, outdoors aficionado, prepper, and survivalist in philosophy and in practice. Another Bikol blade here. Bikol is in the Philippines, southern Luzon. Alright. This is a Bikol style blade. We already talked about Bikol Knives before. Kindly check the previously uploaded videos here in my channel. Alright, just looking at the outside of the items here, we can see readily that the handle is made of carabao horn and it is carved as pinaniki or bat. Alright, and there is bronze tang rivet or crown, and this is aluminum. This is actually inserted here while the handle was being worked on. We have here bronze ferrule handguard made of carabao horn, scabbard locks or rings made of bronze as well, and scabbard made of Maravical. Maravical is considered as premium wood as per Bikol blade culture. Premium, rare, and expensive. So you can see the beauty of the blade, the beauty of the scabbard. Alright, now let's look at the blade itself. Okay, can now look at the blade itself. It is made of 5160 carbon steel, done the native / traditional way. This is good for the kitchen, also for Filipino martial arts, good for bushcraft, good for hike carry, camping, etc., and other outdoors activities. So we already sharpened and polished this. Maybe some other time we can do a cutting test. So there, looks nice as it is. So this is a TMS output. Right, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thanks for watching.